Hey everyone! If you've been trying to use a Temu FREE gift code and nothing seems to be happening, no progress bar, no confirmation, no reward, you're not alone. This happens to a lot of people, and it's usually not because the code is expired or fake. In most cases, your Temu FREE gift code isn't working because of one simple step that most people completely miss. And today I'm going to show you exactly what that is and how to fix it. Before anything else, I've put the current working Temu FREE gift code right here on screen, and it's also in the description and pinned comment so you can copy it easily. Now let's break down why most people's codes never work and how to make sure yours does. The most common mistake. Most people open the Temu app and dive straight into browsing products. They scroll deals, add things to their cart, or jump between categories. But nothing ever triggers the free gift. That's because Temu FREE Gift doesn't work unless the event is activated first. And unless you trigger the event properly, the code you enter or the one I give you will never do anything. So let me walk you through the correct method. Step 1. Activate the free gift event. Before opening Temu, click the first link in the description. This is the link that actually tells Temu, I want to participate in the free gift event. Once the page opens, you'll see a QR code on your screen. If you're on your phone, scan the code. If you're on a computer, you'll see a manual code you can enter instead. Either option will start the event on your account. Step 2. Confirm your free gift activation. Now open the Temu app. Instead of normal browsing, look for a progress bar at the top. This progress bar is the confirmation that the free gift event is active. If you don't see the bar, it means Temu hasn't registered the activation, and your code won't work until it does. In that case, go back and repeat step 1. Step 3. Complete the simple tasks. Once the progress bar appears, Temu will ask you to complete small tasks like browsing product categories, checking certain deals, opening specific product pages. These tasks are simple and quick, and each action fills that progress bar a little more. You don't need to buy anything, just complete the task to push the bar up. Step 4. Unlock the free item. When the progress bar reaches 100%, your selected free item is unlocked and ready to claim. No payment required, no referrals needed, no hidden trick. Temu sends it to you just like a normal order, and that's exactly why your code wasn't working before. You skipped activation, so the free gift event never started. Important notes. Temu updates codes all the time, so the one on screen may expire later, but the activation method never changes. If a code doesn't work right away, make sure you activated the event with the link, check for the progress bar, complete the tasks, try the next code in the description. That's the real way free gift codes actually work.